chosen bears the mark, and the mark remembers.
Chosen? I am not a chosen. What mark are you talking about?
You are the blood of Ojukwu.
Ojukwu? Who is Ojukwu? Who are you?
My lady! My lady! Are you alright? I heard you scream.
I saw the elder in my dream. He accused me of killing him. He said I killed him and he kept screaming. And the funny thing is, I saw Obieze right in the forest. He was standing right beside me.
Obieze?
Yes.
In your dream?
That's why I'm surprised. I mean, he kept shouting, "You can do it. You are stronger than you think." I do not understand what this dream means.
Perhaps it was not just a dream, my lady. Or it is because Obieze loves you.
You don't understand. I and Obieze has nothing in common. He is just my friend.
If that is so, then you are the only one who does not see what it is plain to others. Yes. Even the wind in this compound carries his word for you.
Obieze worries about everyone. He cares for everybody. I do not understand what you're talking about.
Yes, he may have a good heart, but his heart beats loudest for you.
Okay, I think you need to stop right now because you're beginning to talk like a market woman. You're telling stories.
As you wish, my lady. But remember I said, even dreams sometimes tell the truth.
Dream or no dream, real or no real, I know what I'm talking about. It's real.
Come on. You should go and see your father now. He's awake. He's in the council room. They plan to visit the family of the dead.
Okay, then maybe I have to go right now. I need him to look at me in the face and tell me what he feels.
Okay, I will prepare your bed.
No, that's not necessary. When I come back, I'll take my bath. Thank you.
Okay, just be careful, my lady. Thank you.
Thank you.
Did you sleep well, my lady? Should I call the healer?
No, I am fine. Just one of those bad dreams.
Okay.
Thank you.
My lady! Are you okay? What is it?
Nothing. Nothing. It fell mistakenly.
Okay. Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Can I bring water for me?
You are already awake.
Yes, Father.
That is very unusual of the one who loves her sleep.
Because sleep refused to make me sleep.
Maybe it fled away because it knows today is going to be very long. Even the elders are on their way coming. And Chief Amobi is with them. I need you to comport yourself. Behave yourself properly when they are here and greet well. Especially him. I hope you know his family to be.
Yes, Father.
Good. So you have to make up your mind. Make up your mind to carry the name of the family with a lot of pride. Don't forget that.
I will.
Good.
Greetings, Chief Okafor.
Greetings, Obiese. Always attending to his father's business and land very early.
You know, Chief, the soil only rewards those who do not sleep too long.
I agree. Hard work will always be rewarded with honor.
Absolutely, Chief.
It's okay.
Your father never changes.
Well, that is because he thinks if he stops, being serious, the sky will fall.
Or maybe he's just trying to look out for you.
Maybe. When the drum stops beating.
What did you say?
No, nothing. I was just talking to myself.
They have started beating the drum very early again.
The drum of the festival.
Oh yes, the drum of the festival.
Take it easy now. Ibawa. It's okay, baby. I'm sorry. It's okay. You must smile for me. Okay. So, how are you doing?
I'm fine. I'm very happy. You know, this year's festival is going to be bigger. And I'm very, very excited.
Don't tell me you were excited just because of the festival. I know.
I am. Are you not? Everyone is, even the chiefs.
I guess. Greetings, Father.
Greetings, Chief Amobi.
Great.
I'll be on my way. See you at the festival.
Okay, go well. Father.
What was she doing here?
Oh, Urenna. Father, she's just my friend. We were actually talking about the festival.
Why I told you that your friendship with her is not in dispute.
Why?
Because you are not supposed to be seen with her. Have you forgotten that you are betrothed to Adanne, the daughter of Chief Okafor, the richest man in our community? You know that family is a family of generational wealth. The wealth that started from their great-grandfather. Look at Chief Okafor. Is he not wealthy?
But Father, I've done everything you ask of me. What else do you want?
Fine. As long as you continue to follow the plans, my son, we will not have any problem.
That's all right, Father.
That's good.
It fell from the sky this morning before the shrine of Amadioha.
The dove fallen before the festival is not an ordinary one. The gods are not at peace.
And what exactly do you feel the gods are speaking of?
Something ancient that can never awake again.
Old tales meant to scare children. I need us to understand that the gods are simply testing our faith.
Old tales have long shadows, Sukafo. Sometimes they walk again.
Here she comes, my beautiful daughter.
Greetings, Father.
Come and sit down and greet the elders.
Greetings, my elders.
Welcome. Our future bride. Shining like a morning sun.
Father, what happened to the bed outside?
Just as it happened the other day.
Enough! The festival is near. We cannot afford to darken it with fear. Cannot do that.
I had a dream last night. The drums, they were calling my name, the voices. It was kind of weird.
A voice? What did it say?
It said the chosen is awake when the drum stops.
The same words Ezemo spoke before Ojukwu fell.
The same word from the prophecy.
I heard that name in my dream. Father, who is Ojukwu?
Elders, I want to believe we are all masquerades. And the masquerades should be able to behave like masquerades. This is a woman here. There are certain things you cannot just start discussing with her. My dear, just go. This is a very serious issue. I will brief you. Let's just go. Go.
Okay.
What is this?
Can't
you behave?
So bad. I will give you.
Greetings, Ichi.
I can see you are lost in thought. Is my friend Chifokafu hard on you?
No, he's not. It's just that I have been uneasy. The elders are speaking in riddles.
Elders are riddles. Well, it's a word of power. You need to go to my hut and see if he has not been himself this while.
Is it you?
Go and find out yourself. And he will be happy you did. Very soon, both of you will be husband and wife. Don't leave this alone for him.
I will.
Is she for car for my friend in? Don't worry, let me see.
I am not going to let fear rule in this house. My daughter that I love with everything in me, she is not some vessel of doom.
You speak with a father's heart, but the God sees beyond blood. We must be careful.
We all know she is your only daughter, but we know whose blood runs through her.
Mind the kind of things you say.
No one accuses her of evil, but she is a direct descendant of Ojukwu. The same Ojukwu who was wrongly slain and cursed this land with his last breath. And Ezemo warned us before his death. Are we going to ignore him again?
Listen to me. You are only trying to twist the words of a dying priest just to fit into the fear that you have already.
Fear helps a man's life to move on. All we are saying is that you should take her to the new Ezemo. Let him see if she's a danger or not.
My daughter is no danger. I know her. I am the one who should be telling you. I don't need anybody to tell me. It is my daughter that I know. All this fear that we are having here now, it's just imaginations of a dream. Let me ask us, are we going to hang a maiden for sleeping wrong? Why are you all speaking of my daughter as if she's a curse? Why?
We are all in this together.
But they should understand that this is my daughter. Nobody should know her more than me.
Your father said you are not feeling too well.
That was his trick. Yes.
Trick?
He just wanted you to come see me. He said I've not been visiting enough.
Your father had to tell you that? Ifeanyi, why are you doing this? You will make people suspect or maybe think we have issues.
Then let them think whatever they want. The less they see us together, the more peaceful life will be for us.
Peaceful?
Yes. Tell me, what makes you happy?
Laughter, happiness, and knowing fully well we're getting into a future together that is not built on fear.
What fear are you talking about?
Fear of the unknown and losing what has not even begun.
You speak so deeply. The festival is just coming. And after the festival, everything about both of us will change for good.
I'm just scared. Two families becoming one. Celebrations. Promises. I don't know.
It seems you are so surprised.
Yes.
The moon envies your beauty, my daughter.
Thank you so much, but I am just a young maiden and I'm going home.
Beauty is borrowed, my daughter. One day, the owner will return for it.
What do you mean by the owner?
You will understand, my child. When the winds blows in your name.
What do you mean by the wind blows in your name? I don't even... Where am I? Where is this?
The Lord remembers. The chosen will awaken when the drum stops.
Who are you and what do you want from me?
You carry what you buried, and the earth will demand his due.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Yes.
Are you sure?
No, I'm not. I had a bad dream.
A dream again?
Yes.
This is not the first time. These dreams are becoming frequent. Maybe you should go and see the Ezemo.
No, I am fine. Honestly, I am good. Thank you.
Okay.
The drums. Did you hear that?
Of course, my lady. Today is the festival.
When the drum beats.
What did you say?
No, nothing. Nothing. I'm fine.
Okay, my lady. Should I go and get your bed ready?
Yes.
Be fast. Urena, you are in my hut so early this morning.
Greetings, Chief Amobi. I came to call Ifeanyi so we can go to the festival.
Ifeanyi, why do you do that? You know, Ifeanyi is betrothed to a woman.
Chief, we are just friends and we always go to the festival together.
The truth is, I'm not against if you are friends or not. Nobody's against that. But you must understand that Ifeanyi is engaged to Adanne, the daughter of Shivokafo. Urena, Do you reason what people will say? Seeing you moving along the road with another woman's husband to be? No, it's not good. Do you think about what they will say? I think what you should be thinking now is how to get your own suitor. That is what is good for you. Urena, you can go. Fine. We'll meet you there with Daniel. They will join you there. You can go.
Yeah, thank you, Chief.
Father, where is Urena?
I've asked her to go.
You did what?
I asked her to go. Of course, I told her the truth. You are betrothed to Adanne. Are you not?
Nobody's disputing that fact, Father.
Let me tell you this. I would like you to go to Adanne's hut. Let both of you go to festival together. I want people to see both of you coming.
We already agreed to meet there. We agreed on that.
Fine. You going there with Adanne will help tighten the knot. Huh?
I've heard you. I will do as you say.
Oh, I want people to see what they're supposed to see.
Let me just rush.
Gama.
When I'm done with you, other birthdays will hide their faces. You will stand out like the goddess of the world that you are.
I know. I know you will take care of me.
Yes.
Make it very snappy.
Okay. Did I pull hard, my lady? What is it?
You speak of what you do not know. The blood you carry remembers what your heart demands.
Can you see her?
See who?
Can't you see her? She looks exactly like me. Look at her standing there.
My lady, there is no one there.
Who are you and why are you using my body?
I am what the buried beneath. The river does not forget the path to the sea.
I still ask, who are you?
The corpse does not sleep. It only waits for the drum to stop.
You are not real. You are not real. You are fake. You need to tell me who you are now. Who are you?
When the drum falls silent, the chosen shall awake.
My lady! My lady! Madam! The blood remembers. And the wind returns what was stolen.
My lady, what are you saying? Please.
It's gone. It's gone.
What happened? You scared me. Wait, my lady, should I call? Should I call someone?
Please don't tell anybody what happened here. Please, I beg of you, you will not do that, please. Please.
Okay. But will you still go to the festival?
Yes, I will. Maybe the goats won't be among the living. He's here. Please go. I'll just tell him I'm coming, please. Hurry up, hurry up.
Oh, she is the chosen one.
She is the chosen one.
The blood runs in her.
She is the chosen
Let
one.
the gods arise.
That is too much for a whole week. Oh, okay, is here.
Oh, yes, I'm here. I came so that we'll go to the festival together, like old days.
That is before Bieze. Adane is now mine. We are going together to the festival.
Yes, that is true. I have to go with him.
Yeah, of course. I meant no harm. Old habits die slowly.
Let them die, my friend. The festival waits for no man.
We can go together.
Let's go. Don't come too close, my friend. Don't come too close.
Come to think of it, Chief Okafor was too quick to dismiss the matter. The words the youngest spoke echoes the old prophecy, yet he called it nonsense.
Because that is his way. Pride runs thicker than blood in him. He thinks the gods listen only when he speaks. Very arrogant man.
Omemboji, allow Okafor to continue thinking so. But remember, the higher a man climbs, sweeter the fall.
That's true. You saw the way he silenced us the other day, as if we are children who don't know the weight of their words. Ifuria.
Ishie, don't bother yourself. Okafor forgets that leadership does not run through the vein, but through powers. Though his father's wealth gained him respect. But very soon, everything will change.
And you plan to change it further?
I'm not the one doing it. It's the gods. Of course, you know that the gods favors the patient.
That's true.
Very soon,
that's true.
All that Okafor is bragging with will be tied around my heart as far as the daughter is in my house.
Wise man.
Nice move. Once Ifeanyi marries Adane, the lineage of Ojukwu and that of Amobi becomes one.
That's true.
When Okafor joins his ancestors.
And his stool will rest upon your shoulder.
We cannot argue that one. We cannot. We are taking it already.
That's good.
That is the prophecy. You know the gods gives prophecy. But people like us have the chalk in our hands. We can write anything.
Good one. There.
And that girl's dream instills fear in others. Their whispers.
Ishie.
Their whispers.
Ishie. Forget about dreams. Dreams are like wind. They come and they go. Are you afraid of it?
Chief Okafor's pride will blind him very soon, and it will be too late then.
Exactly. You are correct, Omemboji. He will be busy protecting the daughter. I don't want my daughter to die. I don't want my daughter to die. The gods will cut the daughter's neck.
Let's be going. The festival might have started by now.
That's true.
That is correct. Yes. We'll see you
here. My very wonderful people of Obaho, today is indeed a great day. A day we have gathered to celebrate. We are not celebrating just because of the harvest. We are celebrating because this is the day that we are going to show love. Celebrate unity. Okay. My father, when I was much younger, will always take me to the square. And then he will tell me that love is supreme. He will tell me that peace is the drum that beats for the unity of the kingdom. So today, I am going to teach not just my daughter, but all these young ones that are gathered here, for them to understand what love means, what unity means. By the grace of the gods, I am already fulfilled, and in the spirit of the celebration, 10 families will benefit from my band. What is going to happen is that after everything, when we are done, after we have celebrated here, they will come to my place and they will tell me exactly what their problems are. And let me tell us the truth. Whatever thing the problem is, as long as the problem is something that they know I can solve, it is going to be solved.
Anne, are you alright?
The atmosphere is changing.
The drum has stopped child of the cup. Now the earth remembers.
Who are you and what do you want from me? What?
We are what you were born to forget. The blood of Ojuku comes. The promise must be fulfilled. You dream of peace while sleeping in the womb. The blood that seals me sleeps in you. The drums that know me silent.
So how is this my business? What is my business?
The ancestors are blind. The living are guilty. They killed me in the broad daylight. Now, let the vengeance begin.
Adanna!
Yes. That is my daughter. That's my daughter lying unconscious in her hut.
Okafor, calm down. Take your breath. We have to think.
Suppose you listen when we warn you, all this wouldn't have happened.
Listen. No, what would you have expected me to do? You want me to kill my daughter because of old story involving a ghost?
We didn't ask you to kill her. Asked you to be cautious, but you call it fear-mongering.
Enough. This is not the right time to blame anyone. It is the time of action. We have to act.
Act how, Amobi? The prophecy, Ojuku will come in a human form. But for him not to return fully, that person must die.
You didn't yield when we asked you to bring her to the shrine. Will you take the lives of many because of one?
Let's hear from Ezemu. We must hear from Ezemu.
We saw the mark, the flame of fire on her palm. What more proof do you want?
Let me actually understand this, because from the way you men are sounding, you actually expect me to bring out my daughter so that you can kill her. Does it mean you don't have any compassion? Does it mean you don't have any mercy at all? Don't you have daughters and sons? What is the meaning of this?
We all have families. We also know the worth of a kingdom. This we all know. But if Ojuku comes and wakes in the body of a child, not only your house will burn.
Okay, let me ask us, please. I want to ask us, and I want you people to answer me sincerely. Are you now saying that The blood of my daughter must be spilled for your peace? No, are you people saying that you consider the blood of my daughter not to be blood, but just water that should be just spilled? Is that what you are saying?
Did I just so fire on my legs? No, I can never be with somebody else. Can never. Father, I saw what happened. Our ends burnt with a flame of fire. What does that mean, Father?
It means that prophecies are not mere tales. They are not stories. That is what it means.
That is not ordinary thing, Father. I stood there right before me. She screamed. As if something was tearing her apart. That isn't a woman. This isn't a woman.
Whether she's a human or not. But she still have this attribute of Shifokafo in her.
What are you saying, Father?
What I'm saying is that immediately she wakes, you are going to marry her. Before another person will decide whether she lives or not.
Marry her? After what I saw today that happened, you expect me to marry someone that the ghosts have touched? That won't be possible, Father. It can never be possible.
If I will shut up. Who gave you eye to see? Listen. You will marry Adanne so that, understand me, Adanne will soon die. Immediately she dies, everything the father owns becomes ours.
You are still looking after the words. It seems you don't understand what I'm saying. You don't even care about my happiness, Father. You want to sell out your own son because of greed. Read my lips, Father. I will never, never marry that maiden.
Fine. Let me tell you this. You rather say you will never miss to marry her. Because as per Adanne, you will marry her.
For how long? For how long will this go on?
What did Ezemo say, Father? Has he found out what happened to her?
Ezemo said nothing. The universe is still very silent. Ezemo told me that the gods have not said anything. And my daughter is lying here between life and death.
You will wake up, my chief. Adanne is a very strong woman. Stronger than we all know.
Strong? Obieza, are you actually seeing her? Her hands burned like fire before the eyes of everyone. Suddenly, my daughter has been marked for something I do not even know. But I am not going to lose her. I am not going to lose my daughter.
The Ezemo will find an answer. The gods won't keep silent forever.
But why do this kind of thing happen? Why will they hold my daughter in a way that I cannot do anything? Why? Her mother died, giving birth to her. And I promised myself that I was going to ward off anything that the world will throw at her. And I was prepared when I made that promise. Little did I know that the danger finally will be coming from the world beyond.
My chief, we will not let anything happen to her. Not while we breathe.
Your words comfort me, son of Naji. But mere words, can they fight spirits? but I'm prepared to go all out. I am going to do whatever that I can do to make sure my daughter survives this.
Ifeanyi! Ifeanyi!
Urenna,
Ifeanyi.
what is the problem? Why are you running like a haunted goat?
She's awake.
Who?
Adane. I'm just coming from Chief Okafor's compound. And Adane is awake.
Urena, what did you just say?
Greetings, my chief. Yes, my chief. I'm just coming from Chief Okafor's compound. The people said they saw a strange woman, a priestess. She entered Chief Okafor's hut. And now Adane is awake. She has opened her eyes.
A strange priestess, you said?
Yes, chief. People say she came from the river path.
Ifeanyi, did you hear that?
Ifeanyi,
Huh?
I'll be on my way.
Did you hear that?
What do you mean, father?
Huh?
What do you mean?
Ifeanyi, run straight to Chief Okafor's compound now. Stay beside Adane. Let everybody, especially the father, see that you have been caring all this while. Eh?
But father...
But what? But what did you see come on now? Listen well. At this time, a wise man moves close to the wind, not turning it out. Whosoever the gods wants to move close to his fortune will not turn it away. Eh? In fact, follow me. Let's go together. I know the elders will be there now, trying to know how things are unfolding.
His father, you can't be going, I'm coming. Just go. Why is my father so greedy?
My brothers, I know you are all wondering at the person that is sitting with us. And the truth here is that my daughter is awake. All thanks to the priestess.
I'm called Uma, the daughter of the river priest, sent by the waters that sees and knows everything. I came as soon as I heard the cries of a soul that should not have been welcomed. Then I found your daughter.
So, you mean you are the one who brought her back?
That's what I said.
Yes. She's okay, but no longer the same.
What do you mean, priestess? Speak plainly.
The spirit of Ojukwu lives in her.
Ojukwu?
Yes.
The same Ojukwu from the prophecy?
Yes.
Then we are doomed. The prophecy said, when Ojukwu arise again, he will bring terror on the land, especially those who have hand in his death.
You mean he will come back for those leaders who walk in corruption and deceit?
Then I ask, are you corrupt?
I am not. Talk about myself.
Then why tremble in fears before the truth? The spirit of Ojukwu stare in anger across the valley there. Do not fear, the girl is still safe. I arrived late, but not too late. I will protect her spirit and guide her. As long as I walk on the soil of this earth, no evil shall befall her.
Please, you did not give me this specific assurance before. Now that you are mentioning it, are you actually saying that she will leave?
Yes, she will leave.
What do you want? What is wrong with you? Who are you and what do you want from me? What? My lady, who are you talking to? There is no one there.
You know who I am, Adande. You carry me within you.
Stop this now! You will not use this girl for your vessel. better be!
Ma, you always appear when it's already late. This is a warning. I must accomplish what I came for.
You will not use this innocent child for your vengeance! Forget the past and rest!
Never! I have never rested since the day I died. And I swear I will return. Here I am! I will wipe out all the families that have a hand in my death.
Leave it for the gods! The gods can fight for themselves!
Gods, say? Who are the gods? Where are the gods? When my blood was spilled in the land of the Babu.
I'm sorry, Ojuku. You cannot make these people pay for the sins of their fathers!
Never! I will never forgive! And I will not forget!
Oh, she's the chosen one. She's the chosen
Afraid like it's everywhere. It's very wrong. She's chosen by Ojuku.
the chosen
They're choosing her.
For I am coming. Oh, let the earth remember. The wind carried.
For how long will this continue? For how long? People see me and they're afraid of me. Do you know they can conspire to kill me? My life is even in danger.
Listen to me, my child. The gods are not asleep. They see far beyond what the human eyes can see. And you did not ask for this. You will not face it alone. I will play my part in prayers and with all the charms that I know.
What if Ojuku comes back in his anger? Just what if his anger is stronger than your prayers?
Then we bound him tighter. The ways of our people is far greater than the ways of blood and vengeance. I have lived with the spirits longer than the way I live with people. And God sees what the eyes of men cannot see.
Peace be upon you. The path, my ladies.
Obieze. This is Uma. This is Obieze.
I know him. He was there when the gods restore your breath.
I only did what a good friend would do.
The eyes of the gods sees what the human eyes cannot see.
What do you mean by that?
Somebody help! You son of Amon! You speak of marriage, but your heart and thoughts come not for love, but to feel that what is not yours. You and your father, men are backbeners and souls.
My lady, what happened to you? My lady, wake up! What happened to you? What happened? I don't know. He came and then he ran away. I don't know what happened. He left without looking back. Are you okay, my lady?
Ifeanyi! 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 Ifeanyi, you scared me. What is wrong? And why are you running like a madman?
I will never listen to that man again. Never. If he wants to marry that maiden, Adane, he should go ahead and marry her. I almost lost my life today because of my father's ambition and his greed.
Ifeanyi, you're not making any sense. What happened?
I went to Adane's hut just to remind her of our engagement. We were discussing. But suddenly she changed. Her eyes changed, her body changed. The next thing I saw was her hands with fire. As if that was not enough, she grabbed me on my throat. Yes, I was screaming, I was shouting, pleading for help. But no one came for my rescue. She almost killed me. I thank the gods that I managed to escape.
Ifeanyi, are you sure about what you're saying? Are you saying Adane is possessed?
She's not only possessed. That maiden is cursed. She speaks the unspeakable. That which no man knew. I wonder how she knew about my father's greed and his ambition. I must confess, what I saw today was beyond my heads. And my heads I could not even explain. It was Ojukwu himself that speaks through her.
Ojukwu?
Yes. I must confess, Adane is cursed. She's cursed. I've never seen a maiden like her in this kingdom. See, listen to me. I don't know how to say this to you. I know I once said I want to marry her. I once wanted her. But I'm sorry. I want us together. You know I loved you. You're the only person I wanted. But I'm doing all that because of my father's ambition. I'm so sorry, okay? I love you.
Fine. Right now, you're not thinking straight. You're not sure this is what you want. Okay, just go inside, stay calm, think about it. I'll come back and see you.
Urena, I'm sure about this. I swear by the gods, I love you.
Fine, I'll just come back later to see you. Maybe Ojukwu is right after all. Maybe this land does need cleansing. I was foolish to have waited for him once. But not anymore. The heart does not wait forever. Even the gods know. Mine belongs to another. Someone whose hand is not stained by the father's greed.
That can never be her. The voice. The fires on her hands. No, that can't be true. Stay away from me. Please don't kill me. What do you still want?
I don't know what happened, I promise you. I mean, I just woke up and and my maid said you ran away. That's why I've come to say I'm sorry. I'm
You are
very
still pretending after what happened in your house?
I don't know what happened.
Are you telling me you never knew? You almost killed me. You grabbed me. I was even pleading. You didn't even listen to me.
That's why I said I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, fine, please.
Ace, stay away from me. You think you can deceive me with this your look on your face? Do you think you can deceive me? Do you think I'm a fool? Who knows what will happen next? Maybe you will strangle me while I'm asleep.
Fine, don't talk like this. Stop talking like this. It's not this bad. Let's go inside. Yeah.
I won't warn you again. If you must know, I don't love you. I never loved you. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? It was never my idea. It was my father's greed. He wants the fortunes in your house, not me. I don't love you. The woman I love just left my father's compound not quite long. And that can never be you.
You are joking, right?
I can never joke with such thing.
Ifeanyi, you never loved me.
Am I preaching to you?
And you've been lying to me?
If you must know, I don't want to repeat myself. You need to leave my father's compound now. You need to live with your cursed body. I can never be part of this. I have my own life to face.
You call me cross?
Not over my dead body. I can never be with you.
What? What is all this? He called me cursed? After everything I have endured? After everything? You will not let me be!
I don't know.
What?
The gods must have sent you this way. I was actually heading to the hall. My trap caught something big today, and I remember you love bushmeat, so I decided to bring this one to you.
Obviously not now, please.
I don't know.
I said not now.
Please take the meat at least. Something is definitely wrong. Adanne!
You need to act. Ezemo, act now.
You must act now. I can no longer sleep with both eyes closed. That girl, Adanne, she carries something dark, something very strange. We all saw what happened at the village square. She is not the same anymore. We must end her, and quick.
Elders, I will not speak on my own account when the gods have not spoken. When they reveal it, I will let you know. My hands are bound.
Your hands are bound. Is that what you're saying? Ezemo, you and I know better than that. Ezemo, are you trying to hide on the powers of your shrine? Or the staff you are holding in your hands? Or whatever around the shrine? No. When the spirit of Ojuku will come, when the wrath of Ojuku will visit, Ezemo, no one will be spared. There will be no hiding place for every one of us, Ezemo.
Ezemo, listen and listen good. We didn't come here to beg. We came to remind you of what is coming, what will happen. That spirit in Adanne, the spirit of Ojuku that possesses her, it will not wait for your slow gods to speak. He will strike. And who knows who will be the first?
Ezemo will be the first.
He will be the first.
That's enough. Go in peace. I will consult the gods. When they finally speak, I will let you know.
Ojuku! Enough! It is enough! What do you want from me? What? What? Am I the only descendant? I have other relatives, but you chose me! Why? Why? I am tired!
not take this chance. Ojuku, spirit of unrest! Go and sleep! You cannot take what the gods have not given you!
Gods of our land. What is this?
Lift her.
Can I touch her?
Yes.
What just happened?
Are you alright?
What you did was dangerous. How dare you call Ojuku to do with you whatsoever he wants? Don't you know he's looking for your permission?
What do you want me to do?
What? What do you have me do? What?
Where were you when I needed you most? Where were you? I almost killed Ifeanyi. He said he would never marry me again.
I went to speak with those who listen to the Spirit. No answer. But the gods are not asleep.
So how long will it take for them to wake up? How long?
Adane, what is wrong? Adane, wait!
Something.
Adane!
Something is amiss. Terrible things are about to happen. We must find her.
What is chasing you? Why are you running like this? Please, don't kill me!
No! No, Iche! How long must this continue? How long will you continue to make us suffer, or Juko, or whatever you call yourself? If vengeance is all you want, why don't you do it yourself? Why dragging an innocent child into your personal war?
Enough, Obese! You speak like that, you invite the wrath of the gods.
Don't ask for this. She's simply Chief Okafor's child, and not some instrument of an angry gods. This has to stop!
We must take them out of this place immediately. If the villagers come and see this, they will stone her to death.
Nobody will touch my Adane. Nobody will come close as long as I am here.
Fine. I hope you are planning to get married to Adane.
I've told you, father, that I will never marry that guy, Adane.
No, fine. You must do as I said. Do you think I don't know what is good for you? If I let me tell you, marrying Adane will see our position in the council. Are you listening at all?
See our position. Or see your grade. Did you just see what I saw? I don't think you understand what I've been telling you all this while. Adane is cursed. She's not human.
If I who asked you to look, who permitted you to see anything? If I let me tell you, you lost courage. During my days, I faced what you are facing, more than what you are facing, and I survived. If I, why are you behaving like a child?
Well, then I must die first. Before you understand what I'm saying, if that is what pleases you, father.
Why, watch your mouth. How can my only son be talking like this?
I know what I'm saying, father.
Chief Amobi, Aneda is dead.
Where? How? Eda?
They found him lying lifeless on the path. They said that Adane was seen running from that direction. People are saying.
just because of your selfish interest and your so-called ambition. It will never be possible. I won't get anything to do with her.
This is not time for silence. We lost an elder, dead on the path. Your daughter killed him, Chief Okafor. Who will be the next?
Elders, I am sorry. I am sorry over what happened. I want us to understand. I am grieving just like everyone else. But we need to understand what I am saying. Please. It is my daughter that we are talking about here. Please.
We understand your pain, Okafor. But the man that died was also a child. He has children, he has a wife and a family. If we do not check the spirit in Adane now, it is not only with the elders, it will affect all of us.
We cannot continue to wait for the gods or the priestess to speak while our throats are at risk. We must act now, before she acts.
Do you actually feel I do not understand what is happening? No, by any means, you elders, are you saying that you feel I am sleepy? Do you ever imagine it that I am going to just allow my daughter to be a weapon that is fashioned against this kingdom? Is that what you feel?
Then do something.
Yes.
Do something. Show us that we can protect this kingdom.
Yes, show us.
My brothers, I know your hearts are heavy. I'm sorry for what happened today. Terrible things have happened today. I am sorry.
I wonder what will become of me. I wonder if they have decided my fate. I killed an elder. And there is blood in my hands. Whatever decision they take it's fine.
My lady, please, don't speak like that. Please. Everyone knows it wasn't you. You did not do it on purpose. Hmm?
Adana, you have suffered enough. The gods see your heart. And the truth will speak for you.
What truth are you talking about? That doesn't stop the fact that I killed somebody. There is blood in my hands. Don't you understand? What is my fate? What did the elders say about me? Have they decided my fate?
They meet again in 2 days. I asked them to go home. Let the night speak to their hearts. Today, no decision will be made.
And my father?
I asked him to go and rest. His heart is heavy, but he will be fine.
I just imagine what my father will be going through right now.
He'll feel the same way any father would feel. Fear, love, and sorrow. Adane, you need to go and rest.
Rest? Did you just say rest? How can I rest? I just killed someone. You don't understand. There is blood in my hands. How can I rest?
Because knows your heart. Tomorrow we'll face what comes. You too, Obieze, go to your hut. My child, go in and help your mistress prepare for her sleep.
If you need anything, please let me know.
Thank you so much. I appreciate every single thing you do. Thank you.
My beautiful daughter, I am so happy that you are here and safe. I am happy.
Safe?
Yes.
How safe am I, Father? I just killed a man. I couldn't sleep. I just had his thoughts wrapped all over my head, Father.
What happened? There is no way anybody can say it is any fault of yours. You are not going to be blamed in all of this. Even the gods will bear you witness that this is not you. That man that died, by every definition of that action, that was Ojukwu in action, not you.
Father, please, I want to come with you.
Come with you to which place?
To see the family.
No! How can you even say that? They are seeing you as a murderer. If you go with me, there is no way they will believe that you are actually a victim. They may end up attacking you.
If that is the price I have to pay, then let it be. Father, I killed somebody. Please, I need to apologize. Please, I beg of you. Let me come with you, please. Please, Father.
Nika, I came with my daughter to tell you sorry over your loss. Please. I know that the gods of this land will grant your family peace. They will grant you the peace that will comfort your home. Peace.
Peace? How dare you speak of peace, Chief Okafor? Calm down. Your daughter shed the blood of my husband. Hi. And you're here talking of peace.
I am sorry over what happened. And I will continue to be sorry. But if you will believe me, my daughter has little guilt in this.
Enough, Chief! You sit here to defend your daughter. We heard what happened. Your daughter strangled my father like a beast. Is this the innocent girl you speak of? Look at her, she's cursed.
She's not. She's not. This whole thing is just complicated. I don't know how you people should try to understand it. Eh?
He was a good man. A kind man.
Kind. Very, very kind.
He stood by your family when no one would. Eh? And this is how you repay him? You send your child to choke life out of him. Hey! Hey! God will comfort you.
If only you will listen.
Hey! Don't touch me! It's okay, it's okay. Your house is filled with death. Same hand that you used to choke the life out of my husband.
Neka, I will plead with you to be very mindful of the kind of words that are coming out of your mouth. Do not say things that will make the gods angry. I am in a position to tell you that my daughter is not a murderer. The problem here is that she is an innocent maiden who is ambushed by an angry spirit.
Spirit or not, my father is gone.
I understand.
Tell me, Chief. Will the spirit come kill all of us before you act? Tell me!
I came here to extend my heartfelt condolences. I know it is someone that died. I came to show my respect. Please, forgive. What is it? Listen, let us just go home so you can rest.
Rest? Father, you talk about rest. What rest are you talking about when I feel cursed? I hear her voice in my head. She just called me cursed and maybe I am. Just maybe.
You are not cursed. And the issue just that the gods Try
Father, what gods are you talking about? Father, where were the gods when Ojukwu chose me? He's inside of me, he's waiting for me, he sees me, he uses me. Where were the gods? I didn't ask to be this vessel. Why me?
How I wish I have answers to all these questions. But despite all the efforts I have made, the gods have not revealed the reasons to me. But the only thing I can tell you here is that I am prepared. Prepared to fight with everything in me to make sure you are free from this.
But I can't take this anymore, I cannot. Ojukwu is just using me as a vessel. He does everything with me. He uses me, he has used my name, every single thing. He enters inside of me and does every single thing he wants to do. Father, this is not fair. Why me?
Listen, if you can come down and listen to me, you will understand we are going to get to the end of this. Please, let us just go. Let us stop feeling this way.
Seven cowries, the symbol of 7 rivers. The Waymaker. Ojukwu, what do you want? The gods gave you rest. Why do you fight the peace?
Rest is said, Ma. There is no rest for the road, priestess.
Ojukwu, your justice become vengeance. And vengeance has blinded the eyes of the spirits, the purest spirits. Why do you fight what is left of you? Why?
I was actually coming to your hut and I brought food.
For me?
Yes, I want to thank you for the other day. I mean, for helping me with the firewood.
Urena, you should not have bothered yourself. I mean, I did what I did and it's nothing.
It's no bother. I want to do it.
Well, I'm already on my way out. So maybe next time.
But at least take some before you go, please.
Urena, next time.
All right then, next time.
Do you have the heart to still stay in that compound? If it was me, I would have left long time ago.
Left?
Yes.
To where? My lady needs me now more than ever. I can't leave her. She's not herself.
That's exactly my point. She is no more the Adani we used to know. Strange things keep happening every day. Yesterday it was the elder. Who knows who is going to be next?
Mind your words. My lady has no fault in what happened. And you know it. It was not her that struck him. Something took over her.
Call it what you want. Spirit or not spirit. That spirit one day will work against you. Leave before it's too late.
No. Whatever spirit that is inside of her has no quarrel with me. And even if it does, I will not abandon her. She's a good woman. She needs someone who still believes in her. If you're going to the stream, let's go. If you're not, stay back.
I've warned you. I've warned you.
Mass 2 days are over. Tomorrow we are going to meet. Omemboji, tomorrow we are going to meet. And this time, I will not be silent. That girl must go. Before she will end every one of us.
You have spoken my mind, Chief Amobi. We have wasted enough time listening to that priestess about her talk of patience. It is enough. We must act tomorrow.
Do you know, I almost gave her my son. But the gods have their own way of saving us from disaster. Tomorrow, as we meet, all this madness will end once and for all.
Yes. First, we must decide on what will be done to Adane.
That one.
Then, we start by stripping her father of his title.
Yes. You are right. Omemboji, you are right. Okafo kept hiding under father's love. But danger grows under his roof. Eh?
Nonsense.
We will never meet in Okafo's house again. Okafo is unfit to host our meetings.
Then tomorrow, we must speak with one voice. No elder should be swayed by sentiment. The end of Okafo as our leader has come.
That's what we're going to do.
Guardians of the 7 hills and the river spirit of her father, I, your daughter, call you today. Come out and speak to me. Ojukwu has rise and now dwells among the living through the blood of his own. Tell me what to do before his anger swallow this kingdom.
Spirit and flesh now work as one. To break it, blood must meet blood.
Blood must meet blood? Willingly giving? Blood must meet blood?
Ojukwu,
what have you done? Willingly giving?
Cannot stop what has
Ojukwu, what have you done?
Even the gods have spoken. What has blood will answer blood. Even the gods have
Then I'll find out. Then I'll find out. Gods of our father! What is happening? Gods of our father! What is happening? Ojukwu must not prevail over this kingdom. Ojukwu must not prevail over this kingdom.
What are you still doing here? Or you haven't heard? The children run away when they see me. I think you should leave now that you can.
Why will I leave? You have done nothing wrong to me, my lady. You are not the monster they say you are.
Maybe you haven't heard what they say about me in the market. They said I killed an elder. As I speak with you now, the elders are in the council deciding my fate. You need to go.
I can't leave you. I can't go anywhere. My lady, you are a good person. What happened to you is not your doing. Besides, I have no quarrel with you. I am not among those who murdered Ojukwu. Though I am not pure, but I have not committed any crime that deserves death. So why will I leave you? Why?
Your heart is so pure. I pray the gods reward you accordingly.
See, I will always be by your side, okay? Be good.
Greetings, Adanne.
Greetings, Obieze.
Greetings, Obieze.
Greetings.
Why did you come?
I came to check on you to see how you are doing. I understand it has not been very easy. And that is why I brought these things. It's some roasted bushmeat. I made it myself. I roasted it this morning.
I mean, you shouldn't have troubled yourself.
It is no trouble. You see, it is high time you started eating something nice. I mean, you have been sitting in this compound all alone, watching your shadow drown in sorrow. That is not good for you at this time.
Is it?
I would prefer to take you on a walk. The bush part is usually quiet at this time of the day, and I strongly believe it will make you feel better. What do you think?
Okay.
Yes. Please, you can drop this.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Take care of yourself.
I want to thank you so much for everything you have done. I mean, it's been a long time I took a walk like this. It's really been a while. Thank you, Biesi.
Adanne, you know, sometimes when the world pushes so hard, a little bit of fresh air can make a difference.
I really appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm honored.
I had a dream. And this dream is really, really looking like all this. I saw that same elder accusing me of killing him. And the funny thing is, you were there.
Me?
Yes. You were standing right in front of me. You came out from the bush, and then you kept saying, fight. Fight for yourself. Fight for yourself. Kill him. I mean, whatever that means, I do not know.
Maybe my spirit heard you.
Now, this is exactly what my maid said. She said, you like me, and maybe I am just too blind to see it.
You know your maid likes to tell stories.
Exactly what I told her. I said, you don't know Busy. I mean, he's just a nice person. He likes to be around me. He just wants to help me, and that is it.
Adanne, if this is what you believe, then it's enough for me.
Can you believe I haven't heard from Ifeanyi? I mean, he has not even checked up on me to know how I'm holding on, to know what is wrong with me, how I'm keeping on. Nothing.
Forget about Ifeanyi. A man who leaves you behind when the going gets tough was never there with you to begin with.
I mean, how do you want me to forget about Ifeanyi? This is my future we are talking about here.
What if your future has other plans for you? Listen, Adanne. You have people who love you around you. People who truly love you. Those are the people you should fix your gaze on. Focus on those people.
So who are these people?
You see that tree? You see how bent it is? Yet it is still standing very strong. That is how strong people fight for survival. You're a strong woman, and I know you got this.
Bieze, you always have your way with words.
And you always know how to smile again.
Urenna! Urenna!
It's fine. What is it?
I've been looking for you. You just disappeared after that day.
I did not disappear. I've just been occupied.
I thought after everything I told you, we should understand each other.
Understand each other, you say, fine. Fine, I've understood us. But understanding doesn't always mean we always have to remain in the same place.
Are you angry, Urenna? Listen to me now. I know I've made a mistake. But I've realized my mistake. And I've come back to you. I've left Adanna for us to be happy together. For both of us.
No, Ifeanyi. Ifeanyi, no. You didn't leave Adanne for me. You didn't leave Adanne because of love. You left Adanne out of fear. Not because you remembered love, Ifeanyi.
But that's not true. I've missed you. I've missed us together. I'm not here to make mistakes again, but I'm here for us to start things all over again. Please give me this last chance. Urenna, come with me to my hut. Let's go there. Let's talk about us. Let's talk things out. Please.
Alright, if that's what you want. But just to talk.
Yes, just to talk. Come on.
Oh, let the earth remember. The wind carried my pain. I shed my blood for nothing. So justice is all I want. Let the earth remember. Let the wind carry my pain. I shed my blood for nothing. So justice is all I want. I cry out justice. No one.
I know I made the biggest mistake of my life by letting my father's ambition speak through me. Listen to me. We can always start all over. You are the only one I love and care about.
Fine. What is going on here?
What does it look like, Adanne? I've told you countless times, time without numbers. I'd never loved you, and I can never love you.
But I apologize. I said I will change. If I am sorry, we can start all over again. Please.
Too late. If you must know, this is the woman I love. The woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. Adanne, leave my father's compound before I lose my patience.
Adanne! Adanne, please wait! Wait, Adanne!
What's going on here?
Adanne, please wait! Adanne, please wait! Adanne, please wait! Adanne!
What do you want? What? What else do you want from me? Have you not done enough? What?
Adanne, please calm down. Just calm down and hear me out. Adanne, it's not what you think. Yes, I once loved Ifeanyi, but that's not it anymore. Ifeanyi chose to obey his father rather than fight for what we both had. When Ifeanyi came back, it wasn't love that brought him. It was fear. Fear of what he saw and fear of what he couldn't control. But I've moved on, Adanne. My heart now belongs to someone else. Someone who doesn't even know.
It's okay. Thank you for telling me.
Justice is all I want.
Adanne, if only you understand how much pain we carry, Adanne. If only you know.
Carry my pain. I shed my blood for nothing.
Where is my daughter?
So justice is all I
She's inside, my lord.
Call her for me. You are coming with me now. I met the chief priest of Umwere Kingdom, and then he assured me he is going to solve the problem once and for all. You are coming with me.
Amaka, where is Adani? I'm looking for her.
Her father took her away. He said they were going somewhere.
Took her out? So where?
I don't know. He just asked her to follow him.
Okafor, what have you done? It is too late. Ojukwu has taken full hold of her. Ha! Oh, gods of our land, have mercy on us. Show us mercy. Show us mercy.
Didi, she's not.
You mean I will finally be free?
Yes. By the gods. By the time we meet the Ezemo, you are going to become very free.
Free?
Think you can set her free? Is that what you think?
This is not you. This is not the one I just left my house with. Stop this.
Stop what? You think you can silence me? You will not, Okafor.
Can you please stop? Stop this already. She is only a child.
This child is chosen by the gods. And no one can stop on my way. Not even you.
All I want is peace. Peace in my home. Is that too much to ask?
Okafor, there is no peace for the unjust. You promised to stand by her. But you are standing in her way. Why?
Father. Always remember that I am your father. I am the only one you have. What? Are you okay? Adanne! Adanne!
My chief! My chief! What happened?
Ojukwu, he tried to take her. What?
She's breathing. Yes, she's alive.
Then we must have to.
Yes, yes.
Let us take her. Let's take her back to Mama. Let's take her back to Mama.
Please help me with my tools.
I will.
Yes,
just go back. Just go back.
Amaka, get me the mat. Oh, gods of Allah! What happened? Okafor, what did you do to her?
She fell. I was only trying to make her free. That was all.
It's no longer news. It's not just the present. He has taken her completely.
No. Do not say that. There must be something you can do. There must be someone out there who can help. Please.
You should have listened when I warned you. Ojukwu does not share a vessel with anyone. The one he has chosen and claimed, not even the gods, can take him out easily.
Listen, there must be something you can do. I was mentioning your name, please. Do something, because I cannot lose my daughter. I don't want to lose my daughter, please.
Prepare yourself. The spirit has started, and all thing is done. Done, it can never be.
Enough! What did you expect him to do? He's a man, a father, and he's only trying to save his daughter. And if the gods will sit on their throne and watch her suffer, then it is high time that men stepped out to take up the responsibility of the gods.
Enough! The gods have ears. They can hear you.
Let them hear me. If this is what justice is, and she must be the vessel of revenge, then maybe the gods themselves must have forgotten about mercy.
Don't let the gods be angry with you.
Are we not the ones who are supposed to be angry? That we are talking to the gods and they are not answering us? We are the ones that should be angry.
Take her inside now. Ojuku's vengeance has just started.
Amaka!
I had it myself. They said Ojuku has taken possession of the girl.
Mma confirmed it. Adanne is no longer speaking with her voice.
Then it has begun. Just like the old priest warned. We must flee the land then, so that his wrath does not find us.
Remember, this is why I'm angry with you. Flee. Run to where? Eh? Let me tell you, Ojuku's spirit cross boundaries. Now, where are you going to? Wherever you hide, he will locate you.
But we are not the ones who killed him. It was our forefathers, men long dead and buried.
Are your hands clean? Eh? Ojuku hunts no one. He only hunts bloodline and deeds.
What do you mean?
You're asking me what do I mean? We'll kill her.
You cannot kill her. She's Chief Okafor's daughter. Have you lost the fear of the gods, Chief Amobi?
Let me tell you, with fear, you cannot survive. If you are afraid of pain, you will never survive. Okay, wait. She lies on the floor, lying weak and almost dead. If you allow her to revive back to life, she will hang on your throat, not even mine, because I will remove my head. She will hang on your throat.
But that is evil. You cannot kill a child chosen by the gods.
She's no longer a child. She's a hand of vengeance itself.
My daughter, I must have to tell you that she is only sick. She is not cursed. You must believe me.
Oh, you would say that even if she came for your soul. She killed a woman last night.
Yes!
And now another this morning. Imagine. Can you explain that? The answer is no, my people.
No.
No!
Yes! Those who died were not innocent. The woman poisoned her husband and took the husband's brother to bed for wealth. The man this morning creeps in to her house with a knife to kill her. But he met his fate.
Then, who among us is safe? If none of us are clean, will Ojukwu wipe us all away?
No. She must be banished.
Yes!
She must! This spirit takes our lives all.
The one we are talking about is my daughter. She is the only one I have. I want us to have an understanding on this, please. Now that we are still talking in peace, let us not reduce this to war. Because there is no way I will allow anybody do anything to my daughter. Please.
Ma, you warned us. You said this spirit will take her. And now it has.
It has.
What else is left to say?
Nothing.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Nothing. Now go home. Close your doors. If Ojukwu comes around, he will see empty road and a closed heart.
Let's go. Let's leave this place.
Let's leave this place.
Let's go.
Go
home. I shall leave now to the shrine and find out what the problem is from the gods.
Please. Please do. And thank you. Thank you for what you have done. I appreciate it. Thank you.
If it will cost me anything, I will do it.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You shouldn't be seen around me. If they see you around me, they will call you cursed.
And let them say. Let them say whatever they will. I just cannot stay away from you.
They want me dead. I hear their whispers. The children, they run away from me. They call me cursed. They call me a witch. They say I am the devil's bride.
Please, do not say that. You are not a cursed child. You are just caught up between spirits and men who do not understand anything.
Obieze, I killed people. I don't even know how I do all of this. I just wake up and see myself stained with blood. I don't know how this happens.
And you did not kill those people. The spirits did. And if the gods has decided to use you as their vessel, then it must be for a reason.
Reason? What reason is that? What reason? You don't understand. He lives inside of me. He speaks through me. He's waiting. He's watching.
Let him watch, Adanne. Let him watch. At least he will see that you are not alone. Listen, Adanne. I will stand here right beside you. I will protect you. I will fight for you. Even if it means standing against the gods. I will do it.
Obieze, you cannot fight the spirits. You cannot.
Maybe not. But I can fight fear. He may live inside you. But I will always stand here, right beside you. And protect you. I love you, Adanne.
Oh, in the valley of the shadows, oh, where the whispering winds abide, I thought you were gone, I just lost hope. Then you came, behold you. Oh, I thought
Rena,
I just...
what brings you to my hut?
Obviously, there is something I need to tell you.
I'm listening.
Obviously, I've carried it in my heart for too long.
Rena.
I like you, Obieze. I really do. It's fine. I've decided to tell you today. Because every time I see you, my heart just won't keep quiet. And if I don't tell you, you will never know. And I don't know what would have been between us.
Urenna, listen, I sincerely appreciate your bravery, your courage to speak your heart. But my heart already belonged to someone else.
Adanne.
Yes, Adanne. And after what happened today, I have decided, I have finally gathered the courage to tell her exactly how I feel about her. And to you, I thank you for your bravery, your strength. I mean, it is not easy for a woman to make this kind of move. But my heart already belonged to someone else.
Obieze. Why? Why does she always have to take everything that belongs to me?
This place seems to be your favorite spot. Whenever the world turns against you, you come here to breathe.
And maybe hide away from the world.
Adanne, I know that many people see you as a cursed child. Someone to be feared. Someone to be avoided. But when I look at you, I see you. Listen, Adanne. I know you are suffering inside. You're fighting. But I want you to know that I am here with you. I'll fight for you. I will support you.
Obviously, you deserve peace.
And peace is wherever you are.
You can't be with a woman who her people once dead. I mean...
Adanne, wherever you are is where I will be. As long as I'm with you, there is no place I would rather be.
Obviously, being with me puts you in danger.
Then danger has found itself a new companion.
I will not wait for death to find me. Let them say around. Please, Adanne, please, have mercy, please. I'm not the one that wronged him. It was my forefathers. I only followed the ways I met. Please, have mercy.
There is no mercy for the wicked.
Please, have mercy.
You oppressed the orphans and you took what belonged to them.
I beg you, yes, have mercy on me.
You must die.
Please, yes.
What is this? What have you done?
Obieze, you followed me?
Yes, I followed you. I could not leave you alone.
Why must this happen? Why is this always happening to me?
There is no time for that now. We must leave here now before anyone comes in and see this. Let us go. We'll talk about it later. Come. Come.
Who am I?
Who is calling me? Who is calling me?
Thou son of Mordred, you prepare to bury my head.
I was not my father's. I was not there that night. Great one. I mean no harm.
No harm? You plotted a secret with lies and truth. You whispered against your own brothers, spreading deceit to build your own throne of dust.
That one is a mere word of a man. It's a word of survivor. I mean no harm. I said I mean no harm.
Survivor! So you mean killing your brother is a means of survival?
Father! 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 Hey! Hey! I'm finished. Father! Hey!
Amirode! 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 Great ones, Ojukwu anger, rage and consume the living. Tell me, what can I do to stop him from bringing this kingdom down in ash? Tell me, what do I do? No! You can't ask for this. It's not possible. Then I'll find out. Oserode! 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 Amio!
Look who walk on earth again. How many more must you and that your demon kill before you get satisfied? You killed my father, didn't you? You and that your evil spirit. I will never let you go scot-free. I shall watch and see how you and that your demon blood will be used to cleanse this land. Can't you speak? As your demon eating up your tongue too? My throat.
Your tongue drips with deceit. And your heart with envy. You speak of justice while your hands hunger for power. Change your path, Ifeanyi, or the earth will drink your blood next. What have I just done? What have I done again? Ifeanyi!
Ma, why do your words sound like farewell?
The gods have spoken again. They came, they whisper, through flame and shadow.
What did they say?
They said, blood must meet blood, not through blade, nor wrath, but willingly given. And only the innocent can redeem the mark.
Willingly given. I do not understand, Ma.
You will soon enough.
And if no one gives it?
Then Uba will drown in its guilt. And Ojukwu vengeance will never rest.
Fed on my silence, you buried me alive. You took my name and traded it for cattle and land. You laughed when the brothers cried drowned in the mouth. The blood that once still breathes in this land today account is due. Every deed will be paid. Whoever stole, whoever lied, whoever broke the bonds of kindness, you will not. The kingdom must purge itself of wrath. Every guilty line.
He has suffered enough. The innocent must not die for the wickedness of others. Take me and spare her, please.
No, you mustn't.
Give freely for her.
Yes, because I love her.
Let the debts be paid by choice, not by cruelty, not by greed. Let the chain be broken by what you place upon the earth. And then you are free.
Yes, you are free. Please leave for me. I love you.
I love you too. Obieze! May the gods forgive us. May we find their mercy.
It's a cry of vengeance, whispers within.
Of the earth, we cleanse this ground of vengeance. Let peace dwell where anger once dwelt.
Let the sins of the fathers remain with the fathers. Please, let no blood cry from here ever again. Please.
Ojukwu, rest in peace. Rest, Ojukwu.
It is done. Let the dead rest and let the living breathe. Chief, let's go.
It's okay.
It is done.
Shed my blood for nothing, nothing. So justice is all I want. I cry out justice. No one can stand. Let the trumpet roll. I cry out justice. Oh, just give me justice. No one will escape.
Obieze, is this really you?
Yes, it is me. The gods showed me mercy. They said that love that was given freely must not die. So I lived to prove them right.
I thought I had lost you.
No, you freed me. You freed all of us. And now we get to live for them. For the things that were broken and amended.
Can we start all over again?
Yes.
Me sleep in your arms forever, my love. Oh, Ibon Kemo. Don't let me go.
me sleep in your arms forever, my love. Oh, Jitesia no be care. You are my hero. Because so que camara, I love more. What I can say is that you are more than a heart can ever be. I could not help it if truly you are gone. You sacrificed yourself just for me to live again. As your womb, I love you more and more. Oh, I thought I lost you. You gave yourself for me. I thought